Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nakamura-Tome channel. Today, we would like to introduce you a new function Smart Tuning, which will be launched in August 2022. The Smart Tuning is a function that corrects geometric errors of Nakamura-Tome's ATC multitasking machines. The multitasking machines covered here are multi-axis multitasking machines with multiple axes, such as X, Z, Y, B, C axes. It is often used for machining of smooth curves and complicated shapes, and in order to achieve high accuracy machining, accurate positioning with multi-axes is important. The geometric errors defines errors in static accuracy that are caused by the error of size of a tool spindle and form errors, and the errors will affect to the accurate positioning. For example, the deviation of tool spindle rotating center position, XB perpendicularity, and spindle center position are applied to the geometric errors. The Smart Tuning will correct several geometric errors, including these three errors at one time. Please take a look. It shows the difference between maximum and minimum levels of machining surfaces when processing it by changing the angle of the tool spindle. Without the Smart Tuning, the difference was 23 micrometers at a maximum. However, by using the Smart Tuning, the difference became smaller to 6 micrometers. Because the geometric error related to the tool spindle got smaller, the positioning were improved and higher precision machining were achievable. Setting is very easy. Just follow to the guidance indicated in the operation panel. Set a reference sphere on a chuck. Get a touch probe close to the reference sphere and start the program. All procedures are be shown in the guidance. Operation is easy to understand. When you start the program, the software starts automatic measuring. The measuring will be carried out changing the angle of the tool spindle and the reference sphere. What you need to do is just waiting the program being completed. That's all. By using the Smart Tuning, you can easily correct the geometric errors when you need to correct the misalignments caused by secular change, or before you work on a high-precision machining. The Smart Tuning will be released in August 2022 as an optional function. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us or our distributors in your area. Thank you for watching.